Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're filing taxes this year with TurboTax and need to add a dependent, this video is for you. Adding dependents correctly is super important because it can impact your credits, deductions, and even your refund. In this quick guide, I'll walk you step by step through the process of adding dependents in the TurboTax online software for 2025. Let's get right into it. First, head over to the official TurboTax website. Either type it directly into your browser or search for TurboTax on Google. Once you're on the site, sign in with your username and password to securely access your account. From the main dashboard, look for the My Info tab. This is where all your personal information is stored, including dependents. Click into it and you'll see the option to add a dependent. Go ahead and select that. Before you start, make sure you have your dependent's key details ready, like their social security number and date of birth. Having these on hand will make the process much smoother. Next, TurboTax will guide you through a few simple questions. It will ask about your relationship to the dependent. For most people, this will be my child, but you'll also see options for other types of dependents, like a sibling, parent, or relative you support. Select the relationship that applies to you. Once you choose, carefully enter all the required information. TurboTax will prompt you for details like full name, social security number, and birth date. Be sure to double check your entries because even a small mistake here can cause delays or errors with your tax return. After that, TurboTax may ask a few follow-up questions to confirm if your dependent qualifies for certain tax credits, like the child tax credit or earned income credit. Answer each question honestly, and the software will automatically calculate what you're eligible for. When you're finished, review everything one more time. If all looks good, click Continue. Congratulations, you've successfully added your dependent in TurboTax. And that's it. Adding dependents in TurboTax online is really that simple once you know where to look. Remember, the accuracy of this step can make a big difference in your refund or the credits you qualify for, so take your time and review carefully. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tax and finance tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.